All right, guys. Yeah, we're joining quickly into YouTube. Sorry. All right, Peter's coming.
All right, everybody, welcome to the Nvidia earnings call. We should be good to go. So, hope everybody's doing well. We've got, of course, Andrew here with us. We've got Mike, and we should have Brian coming in a minute or two, who's going to be joining everybody. These guys are going to be taking you through earnings. We've got earnings after the close today happening. I think 4:20 is the scheduled time for release. We'll see. Sometimes they're a little early, sometimes they're a little late, but we'll see where they go with everybody today. Mike, Andrew, how are you guys doing this afternoon?
We are doing good. We are ready and excited. NVIDIA is selling hard right now. You can see the chart, Mike's chart on YouTube is really selling hard. So let's see what's going to happen.
Right.
Yeah, selling off. I think they're going to try and close this somewhere around 209 or 210 going into the earnings. So we're looking at, for Nvidia earnings right now, we're looking at about plus or minus 13 off of where they close it. It's 1275, but I like rounding that up to 13. Makes math easy. So, and then you can see your option strike prices. Nvidia's at a $2.50 strike price. So if it's below 210, you're adding $13 to 207.50 and minusing $13 off that. And as we get closer, I will actually put those lines up here on the chart. Those will be the black solid lines that I have. You'll notice I have a pink dash line and a blue dash line. The pink is what the weekly expected move was for Nvidia's on Monday, and then the blue is what the expected move was today at 8 a.m. And you can see that this 226 seems to be the upper boundary that they're looking at for Nvidia. Everything's kind of right in there, and then this lower boundary right now is basically 200. What's there? So we'll see how things go. As this goes, we can tell on the daily chart as well. Nvidia has been in a range since June up until early August. And that is where we're coming back and testing the top of that range. So we kind of got out of it for the month of August, but we're back down at the top, and that resistance is now providing support. So let's see what the earnings do. Maybe it pushes us higher or drops us back into this range. We'll see about that.
Apple had a massive run in the last hour or so. Was there a news on it? It's up 1.6%.
Peter, did you see anything on Apple?
Or it was just maybe overall market because I think
You're
the
muted,
SPY.
Peter.
Yeah. I wasn't looking for anything, so I didn't. But they did launch a new Mac Mini and some new desktop devices. That was earlier today, though, so that wouldn't have been affecting, I don't think, it late this afternoon. Let's see here.
Oh, it looks like China's their year over year, China's shipments rose 23%. So
Oh. So do you see the SPY also at 245 it started running? So I thought maybe it's related. I don't know if it's moving a SPY or SPY is moving Apple.
They also confirmed, Mike, you'd mentioned this earlier, the foldable iPhone, which has been rumored for a very long time, but they actually finally gave some estimates. They're expecting it to come in at about $2,500 price tag and ship more than 10 million units in the first year. So
It's called the Ultra. I'm gonna give one Ultra away to anyone who is active in the Discord and post a picture of their setup.
there you go. All right.
Yeah, there you go. So
Awesome.
post your setup in Discord. Maybe Mike, you can show the Discord channel. If you're there, you can go into that channel.
Yeah, I
Person
can
is
absolutely pull that up here.
down
Discord,
there. Yeah,
you can find it on Trading Terminal, and then we'll enlarge it here.
And
And this is our Discord channel. And your new one, because I saw that right before I got on to the close
yeah, come down all the way to
show.
chat and tools, trading computer setups. Yeah, yeah, up. You pass.
Yep,
There you go. Yeah,
there we go. So
yeah.
throw it in here. We got some nice ones here. I like the MacBook. There it is. Give me an iPhone to match my MacBook.
Yeah. So we vote on it. So post it, and then we vote on it. Oh, someone is in the warehouse. I love that. Yeah. So we
This reminds me of learning to trade when I was in the Middle East, where you got like your real job, and then you're like, don't mind me, boss. Don't mind me.
I love that. I love that. Yeah. So that's great. So yeah, post it, and then we will vote on it, and I'll send you an iPhone Ultra.
awesome. Welcome, Brian.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah,
Wow, look at
something that just noting something that some phenomenon that's been happening over the last month or two is that when semis seem to be struggling a bit, Apple seems to step up to the plate. So could be a little rotation. Apple really gapped down after its earnings. It's been kind of churning in a bit of a range here, bouncing off 300, going up to 320, pulling back. So, overall, Apple's just is still range bound, maybe a little bit on the top end of that range right now. But I would still expect 320 to be resistance. And over the last couple of weeks, I've actually been posting this in my swing trade video. I've been selling Apple 300 puts and just letting them expire at the end of the week. Didn't do it this week because Apple didn't dip down that much, so the premiums weren't great on it. So, but over the last 2 weeks, I've sold the 300 puts and just collected the premium at the end of the week.
Nice.
So it's kind of where we are with Apple right now.
Nice. Yeah, that's great. 300 puts. NVDA calls are pretty expensive right now. 210 calls are $6.
Yeah,
Uh,
they're expecting a 6% move here after the close.
uh, oh, it's setting off really hard in the last few minutes.
It's yeah, Nvidia's really been struggling since midsummer. Almost, it's really hasn't done much. Hasn't gone up like some of the semis ran up. We
AMD.
had a big run up in May, and then we kind of tried to get something going middle of August, and since the middle of August, we've just started to sell off again here. So yeah, really, market and investors, traders, just really try searching for a valuation here. So some concerns about the AI build out and the return on investment that these people are going to be getting versus all the people that are really optimistic about AI, and so it's a bit of a tug of war.
I just got my fourth partial on AMD from my trade this morning.
Amazing.
Finally got it at the previous day close. So we got
Nice.
two more in there. I'm debating about whether to hold this because I do think AMD is going to react to Nvidia earnings afterwards. So I may end up holding this and not closing it out right at the close.
Ooh, risky.
Yes, I know.
That'd be, yeah, that's sort of like taking a bet on what happens with Nvidia. You know, it's a it's a secondary play, but some of the other the other semis are going to react when we get a reaction on the Nvidia report.
So
Dick's
yeah, here we
Sporting Goods
go.
came way back up.
Yeah, that really didn't cross our radar today for a second day play, really.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
we,
didn't see
I
anybody
saw
really in YouTube this morning trading it.
we had
I saw it.
one of our Discord
I
people. They
actually
did
saw.
post a trade. We had it part of the trades that John had put together this morning, where someone took Dick's. So good for them for paying attention to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I actually did see Jared trading it. He posted something about it. 130 was an area he was targeting, and I think we actually got to 130 at one point. We're almost there now. Again,
Yeah. My prediction for Nvidia is that it does not meet either the top side or downside expected move. I think it's a dud. That's my expectation.
Would you buy puts on it right now? It's hard, huh?
Yeah, it's hard, but
I'm also very shiny.
I would rather buy puts than shares than trying to.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good point. Well, how many minutes do we have? We have 2 more minutes. So, okay, puts on the
Yeah,
end.
we got 2 minutes to the close.
Let's say 200 puts. I'm gonna buy some 200 puts. $2.20. What's happening over there? Let me see. Just for fun. It's not that expensive. Um, let's see if our puts are good
Friday expiration.
for a Friday.
Yeah. Okay, so I can throw a Thinkorswim. I know you're not using that platform, but this is where Andrew's looking to buy. He's buying these puts right here for everybody.
200 puts at $2.21.
Yep.
Here's a
Just
member trade on Dick's from this morning. Just we had shared AGK.
wow, it's a great trade on DKS. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, it's really nice.
Yeah, that was a really nice trade that you did.
Oh, NVIDIA is just reaping down. And let's see.
Coming up on a minute to the U.S. market close. Earnings first up from CRM Salesforce.
CRM was
Expecting
active, huh?
$1 gap earnings.
It is
Yeah.
pumping. AMD's kind of coming back up.
For
we
Charlie
got CRM.
Can you guys hear Benzinga as
Um,
well?
We can.
When he's
Yeah,
announcing?
I can hear Benzinga.
Yeah, that's good.
So
Benzinga is
we-
announcing everything.
All right, Mike, you got 1 minute to make a decision on what you're going to do with your AMD.
I got $7 worth of play in this, so I'm keeping it.
Good. Yeah,
You've
do
also
have some
got
room.
CrowdStrike coming up after the close, so
Well, actually, I got more like yeah, I got $7, $8, $7. I got $7 a play in AMD. I don't
right.
think we're gonna move that much on AMD.
it looks like the SPY's gone red
Guess I'll
on the
just
day,
stop out.
and the Qs look like they're going to pretty much close flat on the day.
Last 10 seconds, guys. Make a decision.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to leave you
I'm
guys to
staying
it.
in
Enjoy the
AMD.
earnings.
All right.
Hey, thanks,
Enjoy,
Peter.
Your board call.
Wow, volume is crazy on NVIDIA. Look at the volume. Oof.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of volume right at the close.
Almost 10 million shares there.
Jesus. Wow.
Look at that. We close. Where'd we close? 209.94. So we'll use 210. We'll use 210, and I think we're going to be pretty much right on. The expected move is 12.76. So we'll just say plus or minus 13. So yeah, so we're set up these black lines, 210 plus 13. So let me move this black line here. Oh, no, wrong one. Come on. I'll probably have to get in super close to this.
So let's see what Benzinga is doing. Let's see if it pushes the market higher or lower. This NVDA.
323.
Okta reported a revenue of 805 million. First, Salesforce is out now. Adjusted earnings of $5.90 for Charlie Romeo Michael.
Ooh, CRM is
The
popping up.
estimate was $3.27, so that's a beat for CRM Salesforce. Revenue of 11.35 billion. The estimate was 11.32 billion. Salesforce sees
Nice pop on CRM.
Q3 adjusted earnings of $3.42 to $3.44. Full year adjusted earnings of $16.67 to $16.71. That's Charlie Romeo Michael.
Yeah, CRM is a fraud.
CRM 217.23 on that strong beat. CRM.
Yeah, CRM is beating. It's very strong so far. 1 million shares volume, but it's pretty volatile.
Yeah.
Okta reported revenue of 805 million. Oscar Kilo Tango Alpha. The estimate was 795 million for OKTA.
I think CRM could be potentially a long.
$1.05 in earnings. For
Minus
OKTA, the estimate
15
was
off of 206.
dollar was 97 cents. So that's a beat for Oscar Kilo Tango Alpha.
Just SCAI.
Guidance.
Fine.
Shares
I
popping on
Expected
that.
move on
You see stuff
CRM
coming out
was
next
right
week.
around 221.
47.60
We
on
just hit it.
OKTA.
Brian, you're on YouTube.
I gotta get going.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. CRM is going up. CRM is going up. I'm long CRM at 218, 217. Let's see if it's going to pop. Mike, can you show CRM Atlas? I think 225 is.
Yep.
I think there's some orders to the upside.
Yeah, 225 we got orders. Let me expand this a little bit so it
Look
comes
at
up
that.
nicer.
Love that.
Yeah, we got orders up at 225 for you, Andrew.
Not a huge order though. It's kind of a
NVDA reported 60 cents in earnings. The estimate was 49 cents. Revenue of 805 million. The estimate was 795 million. That's a beat for November Tango, November X-ray, Nutanix.
Okay.
220.
HNBR.
221 was the expected move on CRM, Andrew, to the top side.
All right, let's see if CRM can hold 220 to goes toward 225. Yeah, there's some orders that are coming. Oh, very good, nice. On CRM, guys, I'm setting some at 223.44. That was a nice move up. 225 on CRM, guys. I'm long on it. Nice. Nice. 226 would be good.
Salesforce now up about $20 at the highs. 225.72.
Ooh, look at that. Nice, guys. Really nice shipping.
Uh, 420 MTK is Nvidia's earnings. So right now we got CRM that's out. Andrew's trading CRM. It has met and exceeded its expected move. Beat on earnings and beat on revenue.
LTRX.
Or beat top and bottom line.
Tango Romeo X-ray. Lantronix reported 4 cents in earnings. The estimate on LTRX was 4 cents on the adjusted number. That's in line. Revenue 31.2 million. The estimate was 30.7 million. So that's mixed report for LTRX. Shares are spiking here on that.
CRM's going.
$6.40 again, inline earnings and a beat on revenue for Lantronix.
CRM's popping, or CRWD is popping.
$6.64 now, the high up almost $1 on LTRX, Lima Tango Romeo X-ray.
So which one?
I'm
CrowdStrike.
not.
CrowdStrike is 7%.
Yeah, CrowdStrike.
Wow, CrowdStrike is also really strong. Yeah, 200.
Yeah, I'm long CrowdStrike right now. Ooh, through 201, just selling some here.
CRWD, CrowdStrike,
Right.
reported adjusted earnings of 31 cents. The estimate on CrowdStrike was
There we go.
9 cents. Revenue 1.47 billion. That beats the 1.44 billion estimate that defeats
CrowdStrike
for
is
Charlie
stronger
Romeo
too.
Whiskey
Yeah,
Delta.
I'm getting some. Try to
Oh,
get some
here we
deal
go.
on CrowdStrike.
I'm selling. Ooh, selling some more. 204, 60.
CrowdStrike shares popping 205.41. Volatile here, hit a low of 180, now at 205.41.
Yeah, it's really volatile.
Shares
Yeah.
up about $16
here we
now,
go.
and continuing higher on CRWD on that earnings and revenue beat. Charlie
206 was the
Delta company
upper
raising
expected
guidance
move,
as
Brian,
well.
on
Yeah.
CRWD.
Yeah, there's a big order at 208. I'm just looking at Atlas.
Yeah, so if you can get to 208, maybe go to 210.
Yeah.
Right. Wow. Nice.
SNPS Synopsys reported $2.84. The estimate on Synopsys was
Nice. 206.
90 cents on the gap number. That may not compare for SNPS.
CRM is still very strong, guys. Very strong,
Yeah,
guys.
CRM.
Standing the runner up is standing.
I'm adding a little bit on CRM 225. Let's see. This is gonna run CRM. Is Microsoft also going up? I think probably it takes Microsoft up too, huh?
Yeah, Microsoft is getting pulled up. I
Yeah.
probably ServiceNow as well.
Yeah,
I'm guessing now is probably up.
CRM Salesforce up about 20.
Yeah, ServiceNow is up.
Wow.
Few bucks.
Look at that
230. Are
move
you
on
kidding me?
CRM.
Wow. Amazing, guys. CRM 230.
That's CRM.
Wow. That's amazing, man. What a market. And Nvidia hasn't been out yet. What a crazy trade. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. Whew.
Look at that, 230.
Guys, if you
Yeah,
want to
get
see my
232.
screenshots, you can come to Discord as well. I'm posting my screenshots on Discord as well if you guys want to see.
That's 232 right there. And if you're wondering how to get to the Discord channel, if you just go to Trading Terminal, you can scroll down and the link is right here on the left under Learning and Resources. Just click on Discord, it'll take you right to us.
Yeah, CRM turned out to be really, really nice. Market Atlas really helped it.
Yeah, crowd was really good too. It really showed where the prices were going. Market Atlas. They were even stacking the bids even before that release. They're stacking the asks, I guess. I want to say.
Microsoft is going to go to 500. Yeah, guys, CRM. I'm still in CRM, guys. I got out of CrowdStrike. What's CrowdStrike doing? Yeah, I got out of it.
I'm still holding a little bit of CrowdStrike. It kind of looks like it's topping here at 207.50.
So here's Andrew's CRM trade for everybody on YouTube so that you can see.
Yeah, guys, you can join the
trade.
Discord. So the Discord link is because we can't do a screen sharing so many times. Yeah, so you can join the Discord. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah. CRM is going to go to 210. Let me put some orders for 210 on CRM.
You're using a 4K screen, right, Andrew?
I'm using 4K screen. Yeah, that's why it's a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not 210.
No, I'm just Atlas because I I gotta figure out how to display my atlas in this smaller version nicer.
Download the app.
The app does it better. Yeah.
Hey, here goes CrowdStrike. We're going to push higher, maybe.
Up in just a few minutes at 4:15, earnings from HP, expecting 60 cents. Nvidia coming up at 4:20 p.m. expected that they will report $2.11 GAAP or $2.09 adjusted earnings. That's
420 is Nvidia earnings.
Are they joking with us? 420?
Yeah,
I
420.
know.
Yeah. It's not Tesla
Nvidia just likes to be light. That's what
or
I've found.
SpaceX. About 8 minutes to get to Nvidia.
Yeah. Why do I have SpaceX? I need AMD.
All right.
So far, it's been good, huh? So far, everyone's beating.
Yeah.
Is reaping.
Crowd and
generally-
CRM both.
Yeah, generally speaking, the earnings season's been pretty good, even though some of the reactions haven't been great. Earnings good, but not good enough type thing.
a new CFO, that's Charlie Uniform Romeo India, CURI.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
All right. So,
OKTA, more highs now, 157.49, up about $23. Oscar Kilo Tango Alpha.
CRD. It's pushing to that 210. Crowd might get that 210. Might. You still in that, Brian?
What's that?
You still in crowd?
I'm in
Yeah,
CRM.
I'm still holding. I'm going to see if we can get through 210. I've significantly reduced my my trade size, so just holding a little bit. Here we go. Or maybe we're going to push out here. It's definitely some sellers here around 209.
CRM. I have ordered at 234. I'm long on CRM. The average on CRM is
These are going to be in play tomorrow, probably.
nice.
Yeah, I think so too.
PLTR popping here to the highs, 179.68.
Got about 5 minutes left till we got Nvidia earnings. Again, we're looking at a plus or minus of 13 on Nvidia.
PLTR is popping up too. Why?
Company's CEO Alexander Karp put $86 million in.
PLTR is kind of a software play, just like CRM. It's the only thing I can think of. You really got sold off during the day.
That was not actually stole $86 million, but that's PLTR. HP reporting 83 cents.
HPQ.
The estimate on HP.
HP is also popping up.
66 cents on the adjusted number, so that's
Wow.
beat. Revenue of 15.6 billion. The estimate was 14.3 billion. That's a big beat for HPQ.
HP is up 7%.
Raising their full year adjusted earnings guidance. to $3.19 to $3.29.
That's amazing that Benzinga is announcing everything. It's really nice.
Shares of HP pumping to 32.29 at the highs, up about 3% today, and now another dollar right now after hours, and now reversing a bit.
Ooh, HPQ is dropping. Oh, that's dangerous.
Oh,
Well, we got the
got
the 209.75 on crowd.
83.2 million. The estimate was 81.2 million.
Oh. Quarter away. Quarter. One quarter.
Yeah, 25 cents away.
Filing size not disclosed. That's
Yep.
I've got my last bunch of shares here at 209. It's 80.
coming up in just a few
So what we are trading right now, Brian is in CrowdStrike, CRWD, and Andrew is in CRM, so Salesforce.
NVDA.
Those are the trades, and now we're waiting on Nvidia to come out at 420. So that's what we're looking at in 3 minutes, or less than 3 minutes now. So if we take a look at Nvidia, these are
CRM 234.35.
moves.
Amazing, guys.
Got it?
There you go.
Yep.
Salesforce.
There's the CRM.
New highs 234.90.
Wow.
Nvidia is sort of creeping up here as we get closer to the
crazy
release of the numbers.
God, amazing. Now 236. I have orders 236 on CRM as well. I'm posting it in chat room and in Discord, guys. YouTube, guys, we can't really share a screenshot here, but what we can do, you can join us on Discord. We're posting there as well.
TGL.
Hopefully, YouTube allows screenshot sharing.
That's Tango Golf Lima, TGL.
Here you go. Here's Andrew's CRM trade for you all.
Lima, TGL.
235.
Got that.
Shares of Treasury Global getting a pop here on that.
Nice. Amazing. CRM is going up. Wow, 15%. Amazing.
48 after hours on Treasury Global, Tango Golf Lima. Coming up, Nvidia.
Nvidia is coming up, guys. Get ready.
Still got a minute and a half.
Yep. Top side on Nvidia 223, bottom side 197.
Again, expecting $2.11 in earnings.
210 is really the top of the range that it was in since June. And so we're going to see what happens after these earnings. I am going to watch this AMD and see what I'm going to do with that.
Nvidia inching higher ahead of that report.
Ooh, 45 seconds, guys. Be careful. First minute can be really volatile.
Inching up.
Oh.
Well, let's see where things go. I'm thinking about just getting out of the rest of crowd because it looks like it's kind of running out of steam here. Volume's dropping off. So I'm going to get out of the rest of crowd.
If you scroll up,
and just
the
focus
Discord link's higher up.
And just focus on Nvidia.
Remember, guys, can be the first minute can be really volatile. Oh, there you go. It's
There
going
we
down.
go. Ooh, it's
Here we go.
dropping.
Ooh,
Nvidia
big drop.
$2.22.
Wow.
The estimate was $2.09 on the adjusted number.
Oh, my bits.
96.2 billion. The estimate was 92 billion.
Oh,
For
hopefully it goes down.
Nvidia shares though are pulling back here. Nvidia right now hit a low.
Oh, no, it's crazy.
207.34.
Oh, look at that nightmare.
Nvidia.
Yeah, totally. I can't trade this right now. I don't know.
Data center revenue
Need it to settle a little bit.
for NVDA.
But everything was great on
What?
it. Why is it selling off?
I think it's one of those ones where they, beat on top and bottom line, but people
EBIT of
wanting to see more,
$6 billion.
wanting to see bigger beat, disappointing.
Shares of Nvidia are continuing lower now, 206.25.
Brian, I got some 200 puts.
Okay. It's
So
sort of like when you say to your son or daughter when they get the silver in the Olympics and you say, "I'm disappointed you didn't get gold. Disappointed in you."
Right.
Fuck, man, look at that, dude. If it goes down, the puts are gonna be look at that.
Nvidia said Q3 gap and non-GAAP
Yeah,
growth
good.
expected to be 74.
I like it.
You're going to see a lot of the volatility get sucked out of this thing in the next day of the options, but right now we're heading lower.
84.
Fuck, man, my puts are gonna be 20
Exactly,
bucks.
Alex.
Right now down about $6 after hours.
Wow. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, AMD follow suit. Follow suit, AMD.
Yeah, MU's dropping a bit here too.
Versus the $104 billion estimate.
Yeah, I
Nice.
would just be careful with Nvidia because they you don't know what they're going to say on this conference call. There may be a whole lot of rah and
Yeah,
talk about the future and all the rest of that, and you could see this thing come back. But right now, the initial reaction on the actual numbers is obviously negative.
oh yes, come on, AMD. Keep on going.
NVDA shorting, yeah. We don't know exactly what happened, but it could be a good short now. Although I have the puts, I don't know if I want to do more.
That brought both the Qs and the SPY back down too. So
Yeah.
SPYs and the Q reacted as well. So
Yeah, the Q's really sold off there. Now they're sort of coming back a bit. Nvidia found a bottom around 203.
CRM, it's not
Which
CRM,
wasn't 6%.
All right, let's see what NVIDIA is doing. I mean, I wouldn't be
NVIDIA shares
surprised
now
if
bouncing
completely
here.
NVIDIA comes back up.
NVIDIA at 207.20.
So we didn't quite get the expected move from Nvidia to
nope.
the downside. Would have been closer to 200
Wow.
if we'd actually had gone there. So
This has been the story of NVIDIA for like the last 4 earnings. Like they have not met expected move, and it's been
they've been.
kind
I
of rough.
thought I heard a statistic about Nvidia saying they've been out of the last 9 quarters. They've been down 8 of them
China
after they reported. So
of data center revenue. That's comments from the CFO.
Wow, NVIDIA is completely bouncing back. So we lost on those puts. Wow, it's completely
I'm
recovering.
surprised if we don't find this thing down
SNDK
overnight.
top pair standing November Delta Kilo.
Sand is popping up. SNDK SanDisk.
1509.99 shares up about $10 on SanDisk. NVIDIA continuing to bounce here up below now 208.37.
Bounce up. Yeah, pretty
Well,
much
so
dying out.
Qs are bouncing right back up here. Well, you were looking good for a while there, Andrew.
Yeah, I know. Now it's not looking good at all.
Now, and you, which one popping here?
Well, we kind of talked about, what we were expecting in terms of movement, and there was sort of some opinions in the trading room that
Nvidia said
it was gonna be, basically not much of a reaction when the dust settled.
$275.
So could have sold 200 puts and 225 calls and kept the premium on both maybe.
Yeah. What is that strategy called? The straddle?
Yes.
Still too early for NVDA. I think we might
Yeah.
settle down around 205 for pre-market, but we'll see how tomorrow will work out.
Again,
Yeah.
you can get a pretty significant reaction after the conference call, depending on what the contents of the call are. So you have to wait till hear what Jensen has to say.
But tomorrow definitely is going to be very interesting. Guys, most of the earnings, like 99% of the earnings, I think gambling. So it's very difficult to know what will be the reaction. So the trade that I did on CRM, it was a pattern. It's a very nice breakout pattern. But the NVDA puts that I bought was a pure gamble. Like I just wanted to get something for fun just because I had a good month. It's really difficult to know what the direction is going to be. But the CRM, again, I posted on Discord as well. So the pattern, ABCD pattern and breakout is very clear and very nice. So you can trade it that way. But right at the earning is very, very difficult to know what's happening.
HPQ, a share reversed and moved lower now, 2706.
My prediction for MU, it will go up, it will go down, and it will trade every day. I have no idea what MU is going to do. I don't watch MU all that much anymore. I don't even have it on my screens anymore because it just gets, yeah. The spread on it I don't like it for day trading anymore, so I haven't really been watching it. Sorry, I wish I could help you, but no prediction here.
What's MU? MU earning was we had it recently. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, we had it last month though, or it's still coming.
MU's reports really early. I wonder where MU is on this. Wednesday, September 30th is their next earnings date. So they got a while. Yeah.
Well, CrowdStrike's went to a new high here.
Wow, great trade, Brian.
I got out of it
Got that 210
because it didn't. Well, more like 207.50. Just got out of the rest of it because I wanted to focus on Nvidia,
Buyback by
and it seemed like it was kind of running out of steam there. So
Victor India Sandy November.
CRM still creeping up, eh?
That in a filing from the company.
CRM, I think, is going to go to 240. I might hold. I have 200 shares of CRM. I might hold it for tomorrow overnight. It's going to pop up.
Yeah.
Amazing. All right, so I think NVDA probably is not going to recover. Maybe it just trades around 205, 206.
XOS shares
Yeah.
pumping here, X-ray Oscar Sandy. XOS secures follow-on XOS hub order from XL Energy. Shares spiking on that now. XOS
Service,
17 cents at the high of 57 cents. X-ray Oscar Sandy.
Amazing, guys. Really nice.
Service now is up on sympathy with CRM.
Yeah, same as Microsoft.
Yeah.
So the bubble continues.
Let it go.
Yeah. Well, the earnings still seem to support the
down
continued move. There's still obviously still lots of liquidity sloshing around. People have money to invest.
NVDA, Nvidia said
Doug T.
company
Pop
formed
the
an
balloon.
extensive network of suppliers to secure critical components needed to meet demand for the next several years, maximum gross exposure under OLAN power and show.
Sounds like Nvidia's conference call is going.
That's NVDA, Nvidia.
Yeah, I didn't think it was going to start till 5.
VEA, VIA, to execute 1-for-20 reverse stock split on August 28th, Victor Echo Echo Alpha. CRWD, CrowdStrike. Shares still
213 on CrowdStrike now.
CrowdStrike is an amazing. Wow, 214. Brian, you got out of it, 214. CrowdStrike. Jesus.
I know.
Amazing day of trading. Tomorrow is going to be really nice. What an earning.
Like it.
All right.
Go. Tomorrow should be interesting. We should probably get some good trading in tomorrow. There'll be some stocks in play, I think, off these earnings.
Yeah, I would think. Yeah, for sure.
So,
Yes. CrowdStrike still has some room to run to get to its high back in mid-August, which was around 225. Yeah, so I think it looks like, unless something phenomenal happens in the conference call, it looks like we're gonna be at or close to where we kind of went out the day on Nvidia.
yeah.
Did you get out of your AMD short, Mike?
No, I'm gonna hold this overnight.
Okay.
I
He's
don't think
turning
we're
into
getting
a
a
swing trader.
$7 gap pop up. I don't think we're getting a $7 gap up on AMD. So I got in a nice short from 487.96 this morning off the high of day. So I'd been riding it all day, and then I don't think AMD is going to pop up that much by the time by the morning. So hold those.
All right, guys,
See
amazing,
them.
amazing. So my trade was really good on CRM and CrowdStrike, and I am going to sign off because I need to take my mom to doctor. Let's see if NVDA puts tomorrow going to be gapping up or not. If trades below 206, I think would be nice. Thanks, guys. Join us, guys, in Discord. We'll chat in Discord, guys. All the best.
Yeah.
Yep. Take
Thanks,
care,
guys.
everybody.
So if I
Yeah.
leave,
Well,
oh, Mike, you're leaving it too, yes? Yeah?
yes,
Yeah.
I've got to
So
get some other stuff done.
Perfect, guys. See you
I'm
tomorrow in the chat,
hoping
guys.
Peter should be able to cut the stream off. So
Yeah, guys. All the best, guys. Thanks for joining us.
All right.
That was
Cheers,
great.
everyone. Thanks
Cheers.
for
take
joining
care,
in. Hope
everybody.
you managed to get a good trade in or two. Bye for now.
Bye. Thanks, Mike. Thanks, Brian.
Yep. Absolutely.